My name is Jacob and I got a brand new toy from McDonald's. And his name is Optimus Prime and he's an Autobot Transformer. And he can move and you can roll him and move his feet around. And you can move his body. And his gimmick is that you take his legs apart, pull the feet down like this, and turn his body, and then you take his arms, and then open this, then turn it around and put it on top of there. Then after that, you have to turn his arm so his fist is pointing this way. And then the same thing with the other arm. Same thing. And this toy is really cool because you can flip his head up. Watch. So this is the Autobot Optimus Prime, and here's a look around it. And you can flip this back open and then press it down on his head. Then you twist it back, and then you put this like that, then put his arm back there, then you're almost done. Same thing with the other arm. After that, you flip his feet back like this. And then you twist his body. Then you connect him. You see these two little pegs in these two holes where the pegs go in? You have to line them up to it and squeeze them together so the legs stay together. And then what you want to do is when it's like this, turn his body up like that. And then you're going to put this, you see these two little peg holes right there? You have to line them up to here. Then you have to connect them. Same thing with the other one. Do that. Then here's a little peg here. Then there's that. Then you connect it like this so the arms stay like it's supposed to be. Same thing with the other one. Then you want to do is take the left one and slide it on top of the right one. And then you have to put it like that. Then you have your own Autobot character. So if you want this kind of guy, you have to if you want a Transformer like this, go to McDonald's, and see you next time to one of my other channels. And subscribe down here.